Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove a task chat from your website. If you've decided that the chat feature isn't serving your needs anymore, or you simply want to clean up your site's interface, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to get rid of it. And if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First things first, head over to the Wix website and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your site. Look over to the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. This section gives you access to all the core settings and controls for your website, so it's the starting point for making any major changes. From here, you can preview the website settings you currently have active. Take a moment to make sure that this is indeed the website you want to remove a task chat from, especially if you manage multiple sites under the same account. It's always a good idea to double check before making any edits so you don't accidentally modify the wrong site. Now, from this page, locate the Edit Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, which makes it easy to spot. Go ahead and click on it. This will transition you into the main editing interface where you can make changes to the visual elements and features of your website. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the magic happens and where you have full control over your site's layout and functionality. From here, the process is pretty much straightforward. Simply locate the Wix chat element, which is usually pinned at the bottom right corner of your screen. That's its default position, making it easy for visitors to access, but also easy for you to find when you want to remove it. Click on the Wix chat element to select it. Once it's selected, right-click on it and you'll see a small settings window pop up. This menu gives you a few options for managing the element. From here, simply click on Delete to remove a task chat from your website. And just like that, the chat feature is gone from your site. So you've now successfully removed a task chat, giving your website a cleaner look or freeing up space for other features you'd prefer to highlight. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.